everyone. So today I just want to paint my nails a very basic color, which is white. And so this is how my natural nails are looking like. For the most part, the nails are healthy. I removed my last gel polish, which was blue. And my nail tech was very careful when removing the polish, and of course did some shaping for me, so I'm really happy they look so nice. As you can see, my nails are a bit shiny. I've already applied the nail hardener. I use the Charm Max nail hardener. It's a strengthener for weak nails, so it prevents the nails from like chipping and like cracking on the sides especially, which is what I experience, you know, my thumb and this first finger a lot of times, as you've seen in some of my previous nail videos. If you missed them, you can go watch them on this same channel. Right now I want to paint white. It's just Luron polish. I don't know, I haven't really found another brand that's good yet, and so I need to finish what I had already bought. This is number FT201, and then after that I'll apply this nail care double up base and top coat, non-yellowing, chip resistant. It makes the nails really shiny. So that's my combo. I'm still using Luron polishes until I run out. I'm still also like searching for better brands of regular nail polish to use. If you have any suggestions, please share them with me in the comments. So the next clips will just be me applying the polish, so hope you enjoy. And that's how the first layer looks, as you can see. So I'm going to let this dry. I know some people like to apply one hand and then do the next, but I mean, if I can apply both and let them dry, that's nice. Sometimes if I have like all the patience, I'll do one hand, finish like all the layers and everything, and then do the other. I'm done with the first layer. I just want to let it dry. For my right hand, it's a bit messy because I'm typically right-handed, so painting with my left, it always gets messy, but I just do clean up later. I'm done with the first two layers. This is how the polish is looking like. The pigment is definitely setting in. I kind of spilled a bit on the sides, but like I mentioned, I'll just clean that up later. As usual, if you've seen my previous videos, you know what I'm talking about. It's now time to, you know, put the top coat and, you know, make the nails shine. It's dry now. This is how the polish looks like. So I just want to remove the polish on the sides, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I take a cotton swab, like a Q-tip, and then just, you know, wet it with polish remover, and then I just gently remove the polish that's on my skin. And I'm trying to do this carefully so that I don't mess up the actual polish on the nail. That's how it's looking like, much cleaner. And so I'm going to do the same thing to the other hand. This is how the nails look now after I've cleaned them up. Really cute, neat. I'm just really happy with how this turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, also comment, or ask the questions you want to ask about nail care so that I may answer them when I'm free or make a video answering your questions. Also, all the products that I used, these ones will be mentioned in the description box so that you guys can find them if you want to, especially within Nairobi. I know you can find them in Best Lady stores or Super Cosmetics, like any beauty supply store for women. I'm sure you can find these products. So yeah, we're doing white. Oh,
You can run, but you can't hide.